Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the original Surface Pro from eBay. And this has, it was listed to have Windows 10 Professional, or Windows 10 Pro as I like to call it, because Windows 7 Professional, Windows 8 Pro, and Windows 10 Pro. So, it was an auction. Max bid was $80, Australian dollars, and the payment was $68 Australian dollars, and some postage as well. So this is the box. I've removed the personal information on it, and yeah, let's get to the unboxing, shall we? Okay, now that I've cut everything, let's open it for the first time. And okay, let us open it for the first time. We'll witness it with my own eyes. Okay. What is this? Okay. Woo-hoo-hoo! For the charger. And, the charging brick. Charging thing. And the Pro itself. Hoo-hoo. Okay, we've got the recess and lunch bag. For some reason. Yeah, there we go. This is the Surface Pro itself. Okay, we have the Surface Pro itself. Now let me just open that bag. Oh, so it's open. Now let me just set it up. Okay, the laptop has been set up and everything. Let's see what version it's running on. It is running version 21H2. And let's try in tablet mode. Let's try it in tablet mode. So let us disconnect this, which is a HDMI cable that it actually came with. So just that, and as you can see, it's doing everything and stuff. You have this. Oh crap! Nope. Tablet mode. Let's turn that on. It should wake up in a second. Ah, there we go. So next video will be installing 8.1 on this thing. So see you guys later. Bye.